Alright, hey guys, I'm doing a video on my 10th birthday of my Nerf war. I just see maybe all really sweaty already. But I'm using a machete right now while we have a fort. I'm going to be joined by Preston, Ashton, Audrey.
You know what? This is good because you're all here. No one's allowed to go out that door. Right. Unless I know a parent's taking you.
Alright, Zach, Aiden, Leo, Raven. Alright, Alright, I'm gonna put you on my gun. You good entertain for Okay. So,
Landon left and I'm going to be in advanced Nerf. Well, I'm going to set up there once. They'll have fun.
I got a lucky one.
I'm touching, okay? You're me on mine and Avi's team. It's gonna be boring.
Then you shouldn't come at all. You shouldn't have to over it.
I didn't want to.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm doing a video of Nerf. This is my 10th birthday party. You're actually on the top of my hammer shot, so you guys are gonna see exactly what I'm doing. It's fine with me, but alright, so you guys are on top of my gun. Soon it's gonna get dark and there's gonna be glow sticks all over the place and there's other people playing. Alright, we're going in. We got five. Oh, there he is. Oh, there. Alright,
This works.
This is our base right now. That's all of our stuff on the ground.
Too small.
Alright, I'm gonna go out now. Alright, I'm gonna shoot this guy. Got him. Kill the girls. Got him. Doesn't matter. Where's that? Shoot Maddie. I got her. Son, shoot him. Alright, we gotta get more ammo. Donald, I need ammo. Cover me. Cover you? Yes. Alright, our ammo is reloaded now. Let's go, guys. Shoot this little green girded guy. Oh, yeah. No, I won't shoot you. Going back to base. It's just a YouTube right here. Cool. Alright. I'm gonna go back in a second. This thing I've been sweating right now a lot. Alright. I'm gonna go out in a second. There's two. You can't use that. Alright, that one's mine. This is mine. Alright, we're going back to base. Oh, Brian. Huh? Brian. Your boyfriend.
He is not my boyfriend.
Oh, come on, Maddie, you're trying to shoot us. We got her. Contact one. Contact. Yes, that's me yelling contact. Huh? No, that's mine. Gosh, friend. All right. We're in a pretty safe spot. You guys can't see what's going on, but I can. Oh, alright. Repeat that, man. Alright, let's go. There's a little babe with the gun, you know. We're going back out. I have a dangerous clip ready to insert. No! hyperfire. Right now I'm reloading the gun. Oh, after this ammo goes out, we're gonna go on to a hyperfire, alright? Okay. Now you need a freaking video. Hey! Alright, so reloading the gun right now. Just finished reloading. Now we're gonna go out, cock the gun. Go! You mean are you? Look, get under there. The gun stealer. I stole his gun. I stole his gun. I stole his gun. Follow me. No, that's arrested.
The freaking hyperfire. Oh my god.
No, that one's mine.
Give me your printer. Give me your printer. I need your printer.
You can use.
Don't use that.
Oh, you hit my gun. No, we didn't cock. Oh, we got her. Come on, let's go, bud. I got him. Hey, whoever's friend this is about to die. All right, he's annoying anyway. All right, our ammo just ran out. But I'm gonna shoot this one last bullet. And I got him. All right, I'm gonna switch you guys over to hyperfire.
Can you make sure Alex doesn't touch this tri-strike? I need a...
Yeah, Alex, don't touch other people.
Hand me that hammer
Did you
shot.
hear me? That is mine.
Hand me the hammer shot. Here, give me the hammer shot. Hey, hammer shot, hammer shot.
This is the hammer shot. That's a strong arm.
Strong arm.
Alright. You guys are now on to the hyperfire. Darn it. Alright, now you are on to the hyperfire. Still going. So, let's get this battle over and done with, guys. You with me? Let's get this battle done. It's really not fun.
I'm not playing.
Alright?
You got shot. No, it's because I'm trying to get a teammate. Yeah, it's a teammate.
Alright, we're out here. We're out in the ammo, so. We killed him. Oh my god. Well, somebody here just smacked you off of the camera view.
Dude, I'm almost out of ammo. The one shot.
Now it's
Not ammo.
yeah, it's on YouTube. Let's go and see if we can still. There's a fort right there. Alright, we've killed a couple people there. You guys are now leaving the freaking whatever it's called. God, the freaking thing won't work. Get on. Alright, guys. Hey, Brian, put in new mags in this, and you can use it if you want.
Oh, God, thanks.
You can take over the YouTube video, all right? So, all right, here. But can I use this for a second? Sure. All right. Can I use this? It's not working. No, this.
Yes, you can.
Okay,
Now give me the hyperfire.
All right, let's do this.
What the freak? There's no mag.
I know. That's why I said you gotta put a mag in.
Oh my god.
Freaking. Get a mag. Okay.
How do I get this in? I don't know. I've never had hyperfire. How do I freaking get this in? I've never had them. Wait. Okay, so wait. You really don't know how to use it? No, I did not. I do not have it. Okay, Donald, you take this. I can do it. You broke it. You broke it. Did not do it. What? Hold up.
It's not working. It's not working.
Why won't this work?
What? This isn't working. What isn't working? Ah, shoot. Right. You guys are still on video. Alright. I'm gonna steal the ammo from this freaking hyperfire.
I need my tri-strike. I need my tri-strike now.
Darn it! Freaking
Tri-strike.
I don't know. Oh, it's right there. Shoot. Alright. just dropped you guys on the freaking ground. Alright, we are going back to the hammer shot, guys. Isn't really pleasant.
Huh?
So, for now on, I guess you're just gonna be on the pistol. Seriously!
Yeah, it won't go as long.
This is just bullcrap.
And then Alexis is here.
I know. So, 1, 2,
I'm on his team.
3, 4, 5. Alright. I'm loading up the gun. Ray J is going to be going out with us this time.
Yes, I am.
We have a couple other teammates that we will not be shooting. And just warning you, sometimes with this gun, I get out of control and I will run around and accidentally shoot my own teammate. So let's go. Oh, Aubrey! Shoot! I don't know who I hit. Sorry! Darn idioticness! Oh my god, that was evil! Because we're loading back up.
9. Oh god.
If you saw that, I don't know, but Aiden has made kind of like an epic fail. Alright, let's go. Let's go, guys. The bullet right here, the last one. Sucks.
Gotta be the hot dog! The hot dogs are bad!
I'm gonna take you off for a second. No, God! Alright, wait a second. I won't shoot you, I won't shoot you. Alright guys, I'll see you on my next YouTube video, which probably will be something else. Bye.